It is time to show them who we are, and it is time to show them what we can. Kanawa, here a man of honor and humility you are looking for. Kanawa, here a man of integrity and dignity you are waiting for. Kanawa, here a just and fair leader you have been dreaming. Kanawa, here a man of great personality and identity you are demanding for. Kanawa, here a leader who hates injustice and loves justice. Kanawa, here a leader who will give priority to education, health care, agriculture, poverty reduction, employment opportunities and basic infrastructure. Kanawa, here a leader with all qualities of leadership. Kanawa, here a politician different from other politicians, a politician with good manifestation. He is here for you to ensure equity and accountability, to ensure unity and diversity, to secure the sovereignty and ensure prosperity of all Kanawas. Kanawa, here the Iron Man, the Superman and the Incredible Hulk. Kanawa, here Abba Kabir Yusuf, AKY, is here for you.
Kanawa, let us unite together and bring about change. Let us vote for NNPP. Abba Kabir Yusuf Gida Gida is unique and remarkable.
Abba Gida Gida. Abba Gida Gida 2023, inshallah.
Abba Kabir Yusuf NNPP mulki hanta da jini.
Karan shirin yaƙi su gani.
Zaɓe Abba Kano da guri.
Abba Kabir Yusuf NNPP mulki hanta da jini.
Ka ƙara shirin yaƙi su gani. Abba Kabir Kano da guri.
Karan shirin yaƙi su gani.
Ka riƙe alƙawari mun shaida Abba Kabir